Welcome to Mentor Mike's Real-Time Video Trading Room for Friday, September 17, 2014. And we're about to play everyone's favorite video game, Beat the Market. And let's get short. I'll be back to tell you what happens. All right, we hit the first target. And let's see if we get some more. Now, while we're waiting for the market to figure out what it's going to do, let's take a look at where we left off yesterday. Yesterday was a tough day because we had this big, narrow consolidation right in the middle. And this is what I saw as the wave count. It was not easy. I'm by no means certain that this is what's going on. But it looks like we ended with possibly a wave 3, but I'm going to have to rethink that because the price right now is at 208.50 and we left off at 2004.75, so the price is considerably higher. But it may come down and be closer to where we left off yesterday by the time we get to the open in about an hour and a quarter. So we'll see. Oh, and by the way, after we do our trading for today, stick around for a few extra minutes because I'm going to do a little recap of the entire week and also tell you about an upcoming webinar. Okay, we got stopped out with $171. No king's ransom, but it's a start. All right, I think it's time to get long. I'll let you know what happens. Well, the price has touched our first target repeatedly. There it is again. But it doesn't seem to want to go that extra tick so that we can get the bid half of the bid-ask spread up there and fill that target. Well, we'll hope for the best. Okay, we finally got what we call an attrition fill, which means that we were able to work our way up to the front of the line and get our order filled, even though we didn't go the extra tick. So now I have moved the stop manually and we are still once again in free trade mode, so we're looking pretty good. Okay, we are flirting with the second target. Let's see if it'll fill it on camera here. Well, we don't want to waste too much video time, so I'll let you know when we hit it. Okay, the bottom kind of fell out of that one all of a sudden and stopped us out, but our score now is 342 even. I'll get back and we have another opportunity. Okay, I think it's time to get long again. Well, in a few seconds, the day session is going to open and you're going to see this day session chart over here on the left gap way up. Yep, there it is. So we are way up here after having left off down there. And here's where we are in terms of our current position. Let's see if the early morning volatility will carry the market a few ticks higher so that we can hit our target. Well, let's try to go in that direction, but I don't want to waste too much video time, so I'll come back in a minute. Okay, we hit the first target finally, and we're now in free trade mode, and let's see if this thing is going to go higher and maybe give us another target or two. Well, we're stopped out with the bare minimum. Score is now $400.50, and I'll let you know when we get to our next opportunity. All right, let's get short. And we got our first target filled. So we're in free trade. Well, looks like we got stopped out again with the bare minimum. Score is 421.50. Well, we're breaking to the downside. Let's get short. Well, it took a while, but we got finally to the first target. We need to get some multiple target trades here. We've just been getting these little choppy one target suckers here, but what are you going to do? Okay, finally hit that second target. So now we're starting to make some money. Okay, we're finally stopped out with two targets. Score is now $805. Let's get long. Well, I fear we have been faked out and given something back, but that situation is easily remedied. I'll let you know what transpires. Okay, after that little setback, I turned around and did a little target consolidation, and as you can see, our score is now $1,259.50. So, once again, we've proven that $1,000 a day is a reachable goal. Okay, in addition to today's trading, I promised you a recap of the whole week's worth of trading. These are my personal trades from Monday, the 15th of September. My score for these two trades was $1,542. Here's Tuesday the 16th. 3 trades, total was $1,000.50. Wednesday was the 17th, and the score was $1,126. Thursday, that was a tougher day for me, minus $1,095. And then today, had time for just one trade, so I made it count, and ended up with $1,071. Now, let's take a look at those numbers all in one place there. These are my totals for the whole week, ending today, September 19th. Monday, again, $1,542. Tuesday, $1,000.50. Wednesday, $1,126. Thursday, yesterday, lost $1,095. And I made $1,071 today. So those two just about cancel each other out. The total for the week was $4,739.50, which comes out to be a daily average of $947.90. Now, we're shooting for an average of $1,000 a day. Fell a little bit shy of that, as you can see. But you can also see that there were several days when we exceeded the $1,000 level. And I think you'll agree that it is a doable goal using the techniques that I keep showing you here on video. Now here's one more chart. This one belongs to my student, Kevin K. from Pennsylvania. This is from Thursday, the day that I lost $1,000. Kevin was making $1,114.68, it looks like. Now these are demo dollars, but that's okay. You've got to learn how to do it on the demo platform before you can do it live. So Kevin is coming right along, and he is definitely a member of Gadget, my $1,000 a day group of E-mini traders. And finally, I want to invite you all to my next webinar, Pacific Trading Academy and Mentor Mike Bridges present How to Play Beat the Market. What's Beat the Market? It's my trading video game that's easier and cheaper to play and earns more profit in less time than stocks, options, futures, or Forex. Now, Come and see the presentation and learn how I justify that bold statement and also how the game itself is played. The presentation is going to be Saturday, September 27th. That's a week from tomorrow as I'm recording this. It'll be at 9 a.m. Pacific time, and there you see the registration link on GoToMeeting. Now, the first part's always the same. It's https www.3.gotomeeting.com/register/ and then it's the numbers at the end that are different. So here you got 915-440-342. And I'll be sending out lots of other information about this, so you'll have plenty of time to register. But I do expect it to be a full house, so don't get left out. Thank you very much. Everybody have a great weekend, and we'll see you all next week.